Toddlers. Donos, the giant creature that lives in the sea, loves to leap above the water's surface and has large fins like sails. Exactly, that's a whale. Whales are the largest marine mammals with large fins to help them swim and search for food in the ocean. They are also famous for their beautiful leaps above the water. Now let's talk about the small animal with smooth fur, sharp eyes, and likes to roam at night. What is it? Great, that's a mongoose. Mongooses are small predatory animals known for their soft fur and sharp eyes. They like to roam at night to find food. Next, who knows the small animal with brightly colored fur, a long tail, and is skilled at climbing trees? Yes, exactly, that's a marmoset. Marmosets have colorful fur and a long tail. They are skilled climbers, using trees to find food and play. Come on, let's talk about the large animal with a trunk-like nose and enjoys wading in the water. Who knows? Very well done, that's a tapir. Tapirs have large bodies, distinctive noses, and they enjoy wading in the water. Their noses help them find food in the water and smell their surroundings. Now let's talk about the hard-working insect that loves to collect nectar from flowers and lives in large colonies. Who knows? Absolutely right, that's a bee. Bees are hard-working insects that live in large colonies. They collect nectar from flowers to make honey and play a crucial role in plant pollination. Next, let's discuss the reptile with rough skin, a long tongue, and likes to bask in the sunlight. Who can guess? Excellent, that's a Komodo dragon. Komodos are large lizards known for their rough skin and long tongues. They enjoy basking in the sunlight to regulate their body temperature. Lastly, who knows the clever animal with thick fur that can change color according to the season and environment? Fantastic, friends, that's a fox. Foxes are clever animals with incredible adaptability. Their fur can change color according to the season and the environment around them.